Morning folks, welcome to this week's update from the Severn Valley Railway. I'm here at Bridgnorth today where I'm about to go on a footplate ride. You can come along with me if you like, but before we do, let's have an update on what's happening with that landslip. Experts have been on site this week conducting topographical surveys and drilling boreholes, and they do now appear to have a better understanding of what exactly has gone on, and this has been reported back to the railway management. It was a very positive meeting, said Anthony Bartlam of J. Turner and Associates. The good news is that we've narrowed down the possibilities to a couple of potential solutions. However, there's still some further work to do before the project team finalises the route we'll take. And that's when we'll be able to understand more about the timescale and costs. The SVR's head of infrastructure, Chris Bond, added, "This really isn't a thing we can rush. It's important to bear in mind that there are extra complications involved with this particular problem. As well as choosing the best repair option, we'll have to liaise with external agencies and third parties, such as landowners and the National Grid, whose power lines are very close to the slip site. The reality is that there's lots of preparatory work to do before there are spades on the ground. We're determined to deliver a safe, long-lasting and effective repair as quickly as circumstances will allow, so we can open up the northernmost section of our line." Fingers crossed there's some good news soon. Right then, I think I'm just about ready for my footplate ride. Come on.
More steam. I need this smidge. You knocked it up to about 50%. Green. Yep. Doesn't matter, it's already on it.
Well, that was nice. I'm just off now for a pint. To keep you occupied while I do, here's a little bit of footage from action at the other end of the line. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Do get yourself down to Bridgnorth for your footplate ride, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.